Hi! Today we're gonna do something a little bit different. As you know, or if you've seen any of my other videos, unless this is the first video you've seen, then you don't know. But in my other videos, when I do show how to make some of my costumes, I request that you send your costumes to me on Instagram so that I can see them, and they honestly make my entire day whenever I see that you send them to me, or if you post them on Instagram to share. It just makes me the happiest person on earth. So today, because I have received a few images, I want to show them all to you here in our YouTube community. Another thing I do want to talk about is YouTube. We have a little bit over 400 subscribers on my channel. Which is pretty awesome because, you know, sometimes I doubt myself and there's always that little voice in the back of our head trying to say like, you shouldn't be doing this, and it means a lot, and I thank you all so much for watching and sharing your makes with me. It really does make my day. I'm gonna sound like a broken record here because it's true. I'm also gonna sound like a broken record because with all of the images that I received, I just love them. I love every costume that you've made and how different they've turned out from what I made because you've made them your own, and I absolutely love it. So just warning you that I might say it's cute, I love it, about 100 times in this video. So as I start showing them to you, I would love for you to comment in the comment section below. Because we've gotten a little bit over 400 subscribers, I really hope that we can make this a creative community that we can all enjoy and teach each other with our different makes that we have here based off of the ones that you see on my channel. So in just a few seconds, we're gonna get started. The first picture that I received is from Art by Brenda. My Spanish brain really wants to say Art by Brenda. So Brenda, I apologize if I mispronounce your name. I really do apologize. Brenda sent in this beautiful moth costume. She made her entire costume from cardboard. It looks so good. The thing that I really love about her costume is the use of color. The brown as a background for the wings, because a lot of moths are brown, and then the beautiful pops of color. I love the like lilac, pink, and the yellow. They pop perfectly. I absolutely love it. And her antennae are perfect in black. Oh my god, I just love this costume so much. And one thing that I did worry about, because I did not show it in my video, was how to connect, you know, the wings to your hand so that you can flap them as you're going about. But she did it wonderfully, and you can see that she has her wings spread out. It's just absolutely stunning. The wings in the back, as you can see, that beautiful lilac color on the bottom. I just absolutely love this costume, Brenda. You did an amazing job. Thank you so much again for sharing that with me and for everyone. This is just perfect. The next moth costume we have is from At Little Hook and Hammer. Laura did mention that she did not make her wings, but she was inspired from my YouTube video. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do appreciate it. But let's take a look at her costume. The first thing I want to talk about is her makeup. Are you all seeing how amazing her makeup is? It's just like perfect. I love how she did the makeup, her eye makeup here, and the line right down the center of her lips down to her chin. Stunning, okay? Stunning. That's almost exactly like how moths look, and it's just gorgeous. I really love her headpiece for her big moth eyes up here. They look so shiny. It kind of looks like it would be like the styrofoam. I absolutely love it. And the antenna, the fuzzy antenna, just gorgeous. I love this. I love her shawl, and those wings are beautiful. They're made out of fabric, I imagine. Let me know below if it is fabric, because that is gorgeous. I may have to make some wings out of fabric next time so that, you know, I just have some like that instead of cardboard. Let me know if that's something that you'd like to see. I really, really love Laura's costume, and the fact that she's right next to a lamp, perfect. Laura, thank you again at Little Hook and Hammer. This was a beautiful costume. The next costume we'll take a look at is a mushroom hat. I've received a few mushroom hat images before, but I have been told not to share them. So I absolutely respect your decision, but thank you again either way for allowing me to see them because, like I said, they make my day. But we do have one that I can share, and it is from @Jilney908. So Iris did send this reel. She posted this reel about how to make a mushroom hat, and she tagged me in it. So thank you so much for tagging me in it because, again, I love seeing your makes. And you can see that she used a cereal box. Like, you know which one is my favorite? I can maybe tell which one may be a good one that she enjoys too, which is a really good cereal. I love cereal. Just on a tangent, I love cereal. Let me know which one is your favorite so I can try it out. So she made the mushroom hat with the cereal box and a cardboard box around. And the things that I love about her mushroom hat, first of all, I know I'm going all over the place, but if you have Instagram, please go onto my page, and if you see a highlight, it'll say your costumes, so you can click on them and like all of these costume images that I've received, because let's be supportive of one another and love everything we all make. Going back to the costume, I know I'm going back and forth, blah, blah, blah. When you do go to Instagram and you take a look at Iris's video, you're gonna enjoy the music that she put in the background. And when she snaps, the hat turns into an actual mushroom. It's timed beautifully with the music. I absolutely love it. Another thing I really enjoy is that she put fabric on the bottom of the mushroom hat. If you remember in my video, I did not put any fabric on it. I just painted it white. And I think it was because I didn't have enough glue or something. I don't know what I was thinking back then, but I still have that hat in here somewhere. I don't know where it is. I love that she added the fabric at the bottom because it makes it look more like a mushroom. And if you look closely in her video, at the end she shows a still, an image of herself wearing it, and her dress has little mushrooms in it. It's so cute. I absolutely love this costume, Iris. Thank you so much for allowing me to share this with everyone and for sharing it with me. This is perfect. The next category that we're going to take a look at is the piranha plant. For the piranha plant, I did get this image from @3littlebirds.yoga on Instagram. I absolutely love how this ball is turning out. You can see that it's completely covered and painted. And they did make little differences by adding smaller circles instead of just the big ones like I did, and it looks great. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for sharing this picture with me. The next piranha plant costume that we received is from Beth G. Green, which now I'm thinking, is it Beth Green? Because maybe I just don't know how to read. I don't know, but Beth shared this awesome costume that she made for Dexter. So let's take a look at Dexter's costume together. Friends, I have to tell you something about Dexter's costume. He won best costume in a costume contest. Okay, how cool is that? Congratulations, Dexter. Honestly, it's well deserved. Look at the piranha plant. It looks so good. And I can see that there are a few differences that I want to point out and give you kudos on because it's genius. It looks as though the teeth may be made out of cardboard or a foam, like a thicker material than paper. I used paper and it was fine, but it didn't hold the piranha plant open. I would have to open it, you know, it gave a cool effect that I would be able to open and close it. But if I didn't have it open, I had a very hard time looking and seeing where I was. So I love the fact that they use these teeth and it kind of helps keep the head completely open. So that is awesome. The thing that I want to know how you made is the cylinder. We all know that a piranha plant comes out of a pipe like this. Dexter is wearing a cylinder around him to symbolize the pipe that the piranha plant comes out of, and I can see that there are some leaves in the back. This is just absolutely perfect. The attention to detail, I love it, love it, love it. Dexter, you looked amazing, and I am so happy that you won a costume contest. We won a costume contest, friends. This is awesome. Please, please, please give Dexter some congratulation messages below because he looked amazing. Thanks again, Beth, for sharing this with me. It's beautiful. The next costume we're gonna look at is a Louise Belcher costume. So Mel Design used my crochet video to make her own Louise bunny ear beanie. And I absolutely love it. And like I said, go to Instagram to make sure that you look and support everyone, because let's just be that supportive community for one another. But if you take a look at Mel's caption, she says, crochet Louise Belcher hat from Bob's Burgers, patterned by Mrs. Bebo. Thank you. Added wire in the ears and a little stuffing to keep them sturdy and can survive a headbanger. Ooh, I don't know if my bun is gonna survive a headbanger, so maybe I shouldn't do that, but. Mel, this is awesome. Thank you so much for sharing this with me, and thank you for putting those tips in your comment. It is a great idea to add wire and stuffing to make sure that those bunny ears remain up. Great job in your ears. The color of the yarn is beautiful. I love that bright, bright pink that you have. And the ears, I love the shape that you made out of them. Just perfect. And you look stunning in your dress. It's just perfect. A perfect Louise Belcher costume. Thank you again, Mel, for sharing this with me and with everyone. So friends, if you have questions on how she added the wire or stuffing, please put the comments below so that we can all help each other. Again, Mel, this is beautiful. Thanks again for sharing. The last costume and last category that we have for today is our Beetlejuice carousel hat. So I received this awesome image, and I have a few images, so thank you so much at No One Broken. Mom Michelle sent over this image of Keali's awesome costume. Friends, she made and we're gonna get into all of it because the hat is awesome, but like just the entire costume blew me away. It's words are tough, but it's amazing. All right, so let's take a look at the hat. I love the bats. I love their little feet. And if you take a look, you can see that there is some bat wings on the side of the hat, and the little pom-poms with the monster legs. Those are so cute because they're kind of fuzzy. I like that. I like that they're kind of fuzzy. I didn't notice that before. And right below the hat, she put a sign that says it's showtime. Come on. I love it. And Keali looks so happy. Look at him. He is smiling. He is right next to the doctor from Back to the Future, Dr. Brown, and you see him here next to Scooby and Shaggy. But friends, not only does this hat look awesome, I just want us all to appreciate the hammer hands that she added and the sandworms on the wheels of the wheelchair. It just looks so cool. And the best thing is that they got to meet Beetlejuice himself. I'm gonna start crying because I think this is so cool. Michelle, you did a wonderful job. And again, thank you so much for sharing this with us. Okay, Ali, you are a rock star. This costume is amazing. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much again for sharing this with us. It's just perfect. All right, friends, well, those are the images that I have for you today. And as always, thank you so much for allowing me to see them and for letting me share them here with everyone in our creative community in this little world that we have available to us. I honestly, like, when I say that these images and your pictures and your smiles and your stories make my day, I really do mean it. Like I said, sometimes you think that, you know, who would want to see what I'm making? And I am very, very grateful that you do, and that there are a little over 400 of us here watching my videos. Your support means a lot. I really do appreciate it. So I hope that I can continue making more items for you all. A little bit of an update, so I'll just give you a bit of some information of what I'm thinking to do later on is I do have a few of the costumes that I made from this year filmed, and I just never got around to editing them, so I will be pushing those out soonish. Like I mentioned before, I do have a full-time job, so it's a bit difficult for me to edit, film, and everything all on my own, but I'll get them out soon. I have a beanie that I really want to show how to make. It is going to be crocheted. It was for my Demogorgon costume, so if that's something that you're interested in, please let me know in the comments as well that you'd like to see that video. I may not be making some holiday things just because usually during the holidays I bake a lot of cookies, so it's a little difficult to make some additional things, but we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I honestly don't have a schedule for YouTubing, but let me know if there's something that you'd like to see me make. I am open to ideas. But again, friends, thank you so much for being here. I love and appreciate every single one of you for being here. And if you still want to send me a picture of your costume, I welcome it. I thank you. Thank you. Thank you for being here. And I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. I'll still be here, but like I said, I don't know if I'm going to be doing some holiday items, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Thanks again. I love you, and I'll see you all next time. The next costume that we're going to take a look at is a moth hat. Oh my gosh, I keep saying moth hat. Whoa, there's a praying mantis on my window. Let's take a look at this praying mantis because Oh, hello. Hello, praying mantis.